If you want to make money with affiliate marketing in 2024, then you gotta watch this video. In this video, I'm going to share with you a simple strategy that complete beginners are using to make anywhere between $28 up to $500 per day. And when I was testing this method out, I myself was able to generate over $480 in a single day just by doing this. And actually the reason why this is working so well, it's because it's going to take literally just a couple of minutes to set up once you're going to finish this video. And on top of that, I'm going to share with you the exact underground sites that I use myself to get the free traffic, which is going to make this method work without spending a single cent out of your own pocket using completely free ads. So even if you are a complete beginner who never made a single cent online, this may be just the right method for you to get started today, and slowly over time you will be able to build this affiliate marketing business into full-time income. Also guys, don't forget to write down your questions, because as I've said in my previous videos, in this video and in the next 7 videos I'm going to be releasing in the following days, right after the video is going to go live, I'm going to be spending the entire hour down in the comment sections answering all the questions that you may have on me. So just go ahead, comment a question in the comment section, I'm going to be there to answer it. So with all that being said, let's just get started. First of all, you want to go to Warrior Plus Affiliate Marketplace, and remember, you can do this for any other affiliate marketplace out there, but this is just exactly the platform that I was using myself, and I was able to generate over $487 in one single day, because on this platform, on Warrior Plus, you can find some of the highest converting affiliate offers on the entire internet. And right now I'm going to show you exactly how I was able to find the highest converting affiliate offer that you may want to use as well. Pretty much what you want to do is just navigate to the affiliate section, and you want to search for offer that's going to be listed on this website, and what you want to pay attention to is this percentage right here. If you're going to check out the description of the column, it's called conversion rate, and pretty much the higher the percentage number, the better the product is selling, and that's why you want to scout for products with the highest percentage of conversion rate. Also, you have to keep in mind the amount of copies that have already sold, because if some product is going to be having conversion rate of over 90% or even 100% and it has sold just 1 or 2 copies, that's not very good data sample. For that reason, what you want to do is just browse through these products, and you want to find one with the highest percentage of conversion rate that you want to go for, but you also want to find the number of copies sold. For example, if you're going to check out this product right here at the top, which is called RPM 3.0, it has sold over 100,000 copies, and it has conversion rate of 64% of people getting sale once they visited the affiliate link. This is pretty much the good data sample, but this product is on Warrior Plus for quite some time now, and it has been selling very well. So there's also going to be a good chance it's going to be oversaturated. That's why you want to look for some different product with a similar conversion rate, even if it's going to be a little bit lower. Anything between 20% and 70% is going to work very well, with a couple hundred copies sold already. Another thing you want to look for, if you are going to be looking for a product just like this, is this little JV page button at the bottom of the offer if you are going to open some of these up. You want to open one of the offers that you want to go for, and you want to scout for this little JV page button, because what you want to do there, because what this basically is going to be a bunch of tools provided to you by the creator of the product to make the promoting a little bit easier. What you want to scout for is exactly the section where it says email swipes. You want to look for these email swipes, because that way you will be able to access something that's going to be looking just like this, and even if it's not going to have the form of this Google document, it may be very well a website of its own that's going to be hosting these email swipes. Pretty much what this is a bunch of emails created by professional copywriters paid for by the creator of the product to make the promoting of the product a little bit easier, and that way we can use these to promote the product. But as I said before, most of these products are going to be oversaturated by people promoting them. That's why I'm going to show you a very clever hack how you can repurpose these email swipes into something entirely new, entirely yours. So once you're going to find a product that you want to go for, and you are going to find some of these email swipes, you are ready to proceed to next step, which is going to be involving our favorite AI website called Chat GPT. For this method, you don't have to go with the paid version, you can pretty much use this 3.0 free version, as I'm going to show you in this video, because obviously my subscription has run out and I haven't updated my credit card, so I'm just going to use this free version, so you will see that the quality of the text is going to be still the same, and you don't have to spend a single cent out of your own money to do this method. Pretty much what you want to do is go to Chat GPT prompt bar, and there you want to write something like, rewrite this email to make it seem like an advertisement text, keep the meaning of the text, just change the words to avoid plagiarism. Although these email swipes are not subject to copyrights and they are not subject to plagiarism, pretty much you want to rewrite them because this is public document and everybody promoting this product can access it. So for that reason, these texts are going to be oversaturated all over the internet. So that's the reason why you want to keep the meaning of these words, but you want to change the wording a little bit. So for example, let's go with this email right here, and I'm going to just copy the body of the email. So let's start with the first email in the sequence, and what I'm going to do is just pretty much copy the entire body of the text, and I'm just going to paste it into the Chat GPT box, and I'm going to hit enter and let Chat GPT work on it instead of me. So pretty much this is going to rewrite the email, and as you can see, it's going to also shorten it a little bit to make it seem like an advertisement, and you want to do this for the entire email sequence that you are going to be finding in the JV page of the product. Once you're going to do that, you want to just use this text to post a free advertisement on the website, which I'm going to show you next. But before I do that, I would like to bring your attention to something different. I've still got a couple of spots open left in my one-on-one coaching program, where I'm going to be teaching you how I'm making over $14,000 per month with affiliate marketing using completely free traffic without spending a single cent for traffic, and I'm still getting results just like this. And I'm still looking for a couple of more students who would like to start learning the exact same thing that I'm doing to get these results. So if you want to find out a little bit more about this offer, what I want you to do is go to the comment section, and also while the live Q&A is going to be happening, you can also ask a question if you've got about this coaching program. But in the first pinned comment, I want you to look for a link that's going to bring you to a short introduction video where I'm going to explain a little bit more detail what this program is about. So if you want to grab one of the free spots, just go to the comment section, click on the first pinned link, and I hope to see you inside. Now the website I was talking about earlier that's going to allow you to post free advertisement, it's called worldprofit.com. Just go to worldprofit.com and you want to grab yourself a free seat on this website as well. And to do that, what you want to do is just pretty much click on this join free button, and you want to sign up using your name and your email address. Make sure you are going to put a valid email address in there, because you will have to jump through some hoops and you will have to actually verify the email address is real, because they are trying to stay away from bot traffic. And once you're going to do that, you want to log right into your account, which is going to bring you inside the platform. Pretty much all you have to do here is just navigate to this toolbar on the left side, and you want to click on free classified ads, and then just click on place free ad. This literally doesn't cost a single cent. You don't even have to watch any advertisements before to earn free credits. That's one of the reasons why World Profit is one of the best options for complete beginners to start with. What you want to do here is just pretty much go to this top right corner, click on post ad, and in this very simple form, all you have to do is just fill in the contents. And for the title, I'm going to use something from the JV document. So just go to the email that you have copied first, and pretty much you can copy and paste the entire subject line as a title on World Profit. Just paste it in there just like that, then just move to this add content, and now comes the part where I'm going to just copy and paste the Chat GPT text as a body of the advertisement. And I'm also going to get rid of these emojis because they are not very ad friendly in here. So I'm going to make it look something like this, and now comes the most important part which you really cannot skip, and that's the URL that's going to be displayed in the ad. What you want to do that is just go to Warrior Plus, navigate to the product that you want to promote, and you want to copy the affiliate link. What you want to do before that is actually request to be able to promote this product. Now, if you don't have an affiliate link there yet, what you want to do is just go to the product that you want to promote, and you want to find this request button. You just click on request approval, and you want to write a short description about who you are, what you are going to do with the link. Pretty much describe the exact same thing that you are going to be doing, and you should be good to go. Once you're going to get your affiliate link, all you want to do is just copy it and paste it into this URL field on World Profit, and you are ready to go. All you gotta do then is just click on post ad right here. Then you just want to scroll all the way down here into this section where you can pick up to 2 categories under which this ad is going to be classified on a website. And for this one, what you want to do is just pretty much select make money now, because it's a make money online offer. And you can also go with something like home business, because most of the people promoting this are going to be sitting at home and they are going to be promoting it exactly just as I am. Then all you gotta do is just post ad to this website, and then you just want to repeat this process for the remaining emails in the the JV document or on the JV website to actually maximize your chance of getting a sale doing this method. And that's actually all there is to it. All you gotta do is just post a couple of these advertisements on the World Profit website, and slowly over time they are going to be starting to get traffic to your affiliate link completely for free. And actually, if you get lucky, you may see your first results as soon as in the first 24 hours, but I highly suggest that you're going to repeat this short process every couple of days to keep the ads actual, so they are going to be bringing traffic to your affiliate link instead of somebody else's, and you are going to get all the conversions and the sales to your account. That's it for today, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this completely free beginner's affiliate marketing guide. Now, if it's still the first hour after which this video has gone live, just make sure to go down into the comment section and ask me a question if you've got one, because for the first hour I will be down in the comment section answering all the questions. And if you have missed that, don't worry, because in the next 7 videos I will be doing exactly the same thing. And now, if you want to see some more free money making videos, check out this one right here, which is going to show you a completely different way how to make money online. So just go ahead, click on it, and I'm going to see you there.